Pensengau ki kena napok ke Gaza syaka pertai halor ki jingkordet ki jongki apok kate ke jaka nagadau jong katama Israel Persia ki leno ke Hamas nagatei ke jaka. Haka video ke bala sapriang keleng ki san social media lapen i ya wei kena rekabat ki weipat ki para kena ki be yenglang batu ubalau pule ki jingtho bala tho lupa haka tin English man pensengau syaka pertai ki jingkordet ki jing sosat ki jongki hapok ke Gaza. Ubalaya tu ubanadu kanyo trek jong ubanai nailur kilamat ki jingsha penyap ki basyarkai ki jingyap ha ki bom ki belahap ha ki kli ki jongki barok kini ki belajia ki lathok hakmat ka pertai bakila penyap ya ki leno Henry ki la penyap ki breu jong ka Gaza bar ka deiru ka jing trang ki jing post new ki jongki penpau kini ki kena habakren lengba kini ki jing tho ki kena ha Gaza ki dan hapteng ki jingdu jing kermen ngilap hedru sha all shiva hospital na kabenta ki jingeda yangi na ki bom Henry kindit ngi haban yap het biang manlai na ka jingyap namar kan ka hospital ru kala sha ther bom ngimsem la yo jingbam ban ngila hab bandi ru da ki ki bajabo ki bom longchu ban pendon kam kumta ngi khot ya phi ban kren ban yada yangi ngi kwa ban ngi kwa ka jingsuk ngi kwa ru ban bishar ya ki nong penyap dusman ki pala penyap ya ki khana ki balui ngi kwa ki dawai ki jingbam ba ki jingdang jing start man kumbalong lem ki wei pat ki para kan pau susu uni khna lengba ka ne ka jingtho.
Since the 7th of October, we face extermination, killing, bombing falling over our heads. All of this of front of the world. They lie to the world that they kill the parties, but they kill the people of Gaza, their dreams and their future. Kids of Gaza run out of death once and once. We come to Al-Shifa hospital to keep us from bombing. We suddenly run out of death more after bombing the hospital. The occupation is starving us. We don't find water, food, and we drink from the unusable water. We come now to shout and invite you to protect us. We want to live, we want peace, we want to judge the killers of children, we want medicine, food and education, and we want to live as the other children live.